Hey Glam Squad, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I've actually teamed up with Look Fantastic to unbox their beauty box for you. So if you're unfamiliar with Look Fantastic's beauty box, basically it's a subscription service. You sign up, you can pay by month, or you can sign up for like 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. It's just cheaper if you do it that way. But you can sign up for as little as £15 a month, which is about €17. You sign up, and on the first of every month, Look Fantastic send out a beauty box for you. It's got over 6 products in it, and usually it's worth over £50, but for example last month it was worth over £140. So it's like a complete surprise. You don't know what you're getting. It's like a little gift in the post, which is really exciting for as little as what, £15 or €17 if you're in Ireland. So I'm really excited to be unboxing this for you guys today. You guys have no idea how much I want to open this box. It's been sitting in my room for 2 days and it's literally been killing me. I've just wanted to know what's inside, so I had to wait until I was recording this video for you guys because I couldn't like fake my excitement. So I wanted to make sure that like it was real, it was genuine. This is like my real reaction to it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, they left a little note as well in here. So, to our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that's going on at the moment, we decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the beauty box team. How adorable. So this is what's inside. You get a cute little bag, and then we have 5 products. 5, oh no, the mask. Ah, okay. So inside you get 6 different products. The first product is this SPF 30 lip protection and care. It's from the brand Ultra Sun. So it's just like a little lip balm, which is perfect for this time of year. And then we have this Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Body Gel. Sounds very fancy. Oh, I need this in my life. This is sunscreen. It's got an SPF of 50, protection against UVA and UVB rays. It is fragrance free. This is from the brand Polar. I actually haven't heard of this brand actually. So if you have heard of any of these brands and tried them, do let me know. These are all like new to me. So that's that, which is also a necessity right now because we're having like a little mini heat wave in Ireland, which has been amazing. But when there's like sun in Ireland, you need to drop everything and just make the most of it. So it's important that you do have like some SPF around the house, because by the time you go to the shop and get some, it could be raining. Like, I'm laughing, but it's like I'm actually deadly serious. Like in Ireland, the weather can just change like that. Like it can be sunny for like 1 hour and the next minute it could be snowing. You just don't know. So it's important that you have your SPF in your cupboard because you don't know how long the sun is gonna last. So this is a hair mask by the looks of it. Everything mask. The color locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. So this is from the brand Josh Wood Color. So it's like a cute little bottle. I love the little detailing on it. How cute. I actually haven't used a hair mask in like so long. Like I can't even remember. It's one thing I never think of like picking up for myself. And then we have this cute little egg brush. Cute, adorable, handy for traveling. And lastly, and definitely not least, we have this Aroma Blend Calming Mask, which looks like this, like a little sheet mask. I also haven't heard of this brand, and I've heard Asian skincare is meant to be sensational, so I am dying to try this. So this is it's infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils. This relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing a healthier and softer looking skin. Sold. So yeah, overall this is really cute. I think my favorite so far is a little egg brush. How adorable, and that'd be so handy for traveling, and I love the color of it too. It's so cute. So yeah, like I think it's really cool because these are brands that like and products that you probably wouldn't really pick up for yourself. Like obviously shower gel. We need shower gel. Everyone needs shower gel. But like for the hair mask and some of the SPF products, they're probably things you like wouldn't think of picking up for yourself. So I think that's really cool. They're things that like you need. They're like essential, but you didn't even know you needed them. Do you know that kind of way? Definitely for the lip balm anyway. But yeah, that's really cute. I'm really loving the bag. I think that would be like really handy for traveling as well. And if you're unfamiliar with Look Fantastic, because I do think they're more of like a British brand. So basically it's like a website like Beauty Bay or like Sephora where they stock loads of different brands like Ren, Anastasia Beverly Hills, NYX, L'Oreal, like literally so many different products. I'm actually a huge fan of Look Fantastic and I've been ordering from them for years and years and years. So I'm absolutely honored that they chose me to send down their beauty box to unbox for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this very quick little unboxing video. I know it's a lot different to the content I normally put up, but don't worry, I'll be back next Tuesday with another makeup lesson for you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. If you do end up getting yourself a beauty box, please let me know in the comment section, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh!